everyone, come join me for this 7-minute easy workout. You can do it anywhere and everybody can do it. But before we get started, let's do warm up. Come start walking with me on the spot. This 7-minute workout will get your muscles sore and your heartbeat racing. Now we'll move to the next move, that is from side by side. Yes, you're doing good. I also want you to keep your core tight always throughout the workout. Stick your belly button to your spine and keep your back straight. Okay, so the next move is come back to walking, and now I want you to move your arms up and up, up and up. Yes, you're doing good. It's a good day to start and it's just amazing to work out. Now we'll move to the next one, that is again side to side, but this time we'll open our chests. So with a chest opener, yes, move side to side, side. It's always good to warm up before any workout, just so that your muscles are ready and it saves you from injuries. So again we'll come back to walking on the place and with shoulder rotations. So remember to keep your core tight. If you do this workout for 7 days, I promise you will lose 1 to 2 inches. So, nice, good rotations with your shoulder. Now I want you to reverse it. Yeah. These are just easy moves. You can do it anytime you want. Now we'll be doing 7 exercises. Each exercise will be done for a minute and you'll get a 15-second rest while I show you the preview of the next exercise. So your first move is high knees with lateral raise. All I want you to raise your knees as high as you can, but make sure that you also keep your back straight. Reach your hands up to shoulder level and to your ankles. Come on, we'll do this for a minute. Make sure your core is tight. Today is a good day to start. Your head is feeling good. Your body is feeling good. You are feeling good. Come on, come on. Let's do it. You're almost there. Few seconds more. Okay, there's one more thing that you need to keep moving while I show you the preview. So the second exercise is side, cross, air punch. Side, cross, air punch. Now it doesn't have to be coordinated, it can just be anyhow you want. Okay, but all I want you to do is move side to side and keep punching. If you punch higher, your flabby arms will reduce. Come on, keep punching, punching, punch, higher, higher, faster. Come on. Keep punching. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Keep moving, keep punching. All you need is good music and easy exercises. Some easy moves. It's just important to move every day. Come on, keep punching. Keep your core tight. Just few more seconds and you'll be done with this exercise. Till then, keep moving. Faster. Yeah. Get your heartbeat high. All we want to do is sweat. Sweat. Sweat it all out. The third exercise is kick butt with chest opener. So, all you want to do is you want your heel to reach your butt. Open your chest as much as you can. Feel your chest muscles, your back muscles. Keep moving. Keep your core tight. The reason I'm repeating this is because once we are tired, We just want to get done with the exercise. But you want to do it in the right form. You want to get the best out of it. So come on, move, move. Open your arms. Yeah. You feel your core? You feel your thighs, your chest, your back muscles. Yeah. Come on, come on. Shred those inches. Lose those inches. Now it's equally important to keep a good diet with a good workout routine so you get best results. Come on, come on. Last few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Now your fourth exercise is you want to sit in a light squat. If you cannot do that, it's okay. You can just be here and walk 2 steps side and throw. Okay, while you throw, I want you to arch your back. Okay, keep your core tight. Right, now we'll start. 1, if you have any health problems or any injuries, it's always good to check out videos specific to your problem. You have a lot of YouTube videos. Or else you can connect with me on Facebook or Insta. The link is in the description link. And I can give you a customized plan. So, just keep moving. Yeah. I don't know about you, but my heart rate is already high and I'm sweating. So that's it. Now your fifth exercise is a light lunge and high knee. Lunge. So we'll do 30 seconds on each side. Keep your core tight. I know you want to give it up, but it's okay. We'll keep doing it. Keep your hands straight. Don't bend it from your elbow. You are doing good. One, two. If you are not comfortable with the bend, it's okay. Just move your leg behind and in front again. That's it. Keep your core tight. Come on. Now your sixth exercise is you walk 2 steps in front with your hands reaching up and back to your shoulder. Okay, that's it. That's easy. So let's get started. 2, 3, 4. I don't know about you, but I'm already sweating. Yeah, you got this. If you're already enjoying this workout, like and subscribe to my channel so we can do more workouts together. Come on. All you need is good music and few good moves. Yeah, it's almost like dancing, you know. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Now with this we have come to the last exercise of the workout routine. Now that is keep your hands shoulder level, and I want you to move side to side and your hands up and up. Okay, step side, side, side. Yeah, come on. A little faster would be good. I know your shoulders are already paining, but just the last one. Come on, you can do it. You'll get that. Come on. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Move faster, keep your core tight. Perfect timing of the music, huh? All I want you to be is healthy, be happy, and stay fit. Come on, last few seconds. And that's it. We are done with the first set. If you want, you can repeat this for 2 or 3 sets. If not, you can do this once in the morning and once in the evening, and you will be sorted for the day. Stay neat, healthy, be happy, and love yourself. See you next time.